What is up, guys? Welcome back to Motorhead YouTube channel. Today we are working on the Hellcat again, and we finally got our parts, so we're gonna get started on it and start reassembling it. I'm gonna start with the interior. We got that seat belt. We're gonna get that in, get it all cleaned up. But first thing I want to do is go ahead and vacuum it out real nicely, air blow it, and make sure everything is nice and clean. We'll get that seat belt in, get the seats in, and then move on to this rear end and get the rear end in. We did get the glass glued in, so we're moving along. We're gonna go ahead and start and get this thing knocked out. Oh man, I screwed up.
Remember, you took that off on the stand.
Yeah, I screwed up, man.
You gonna be taking the door panel off from the inside?
Well, guys, I shut the door without tightening the handle on, and now it won't open. So I have to attempt to take this door panel off, which we're gonna clean that too. Oh man, this sucks. Because for some reason, if you don't tighten the bolt, do not shut it without the handle on, because now it will not open and I have to take everything apart. I don't know how I'm gonna get this door panel off, but we're gonna attempt to get it off. That way I can try and open this door up. Guys, if you ever decide you want to work on cars, please watch this video first. I mean, my goodness, was that stressful, but we got it open. 2 minutes cost us 30, but it's okay. We got it open. I'm gonna build this door now, get the interior back together, and we'll go ahead and keep moving forward. Let me show you guys what victory looks like. Oh yeah, shuts beautifully. The gap is nice and even. Perfect. Super happy with that, even though this should have been a super straightforward process, just putting this in, but it's okay, mistakes happen. We're gonna move on to the rear. I'm gonna get this done right here, and then fender liner, trunk, and all these inner trunk pieces. Get all this stuff buttoned up, and we're almost done with this thing. I mean, it's just this rear end now. All right, guys, so I got the Hellcat buttoned up. We still are missing a fender liner. That should be here maybe tomorrow, or maybe it's even here. I'm not exactly sure, but everything is looking beautiful. All the gaps are lining up very nicely. And this thing is together. It is very filthy. It needs a wash desperately, but I'm gonna take it to alignment first. We're gonna get it aligned, and then we'll get it cleaned off, buff it. There are a couple little spots that need to be buffed, and then do the final detail. As you can see, the interior, well, it's locked, but the interior, are you kidding me? This door just did it again. No way. After everything, guys, once again, this door did that same exact issue. Oh my goodness. Whatever, we're gonna get this thing out, get it aligned. I'll deal with that later. The interior is all back together real nicely. Like I said, this will be getting a final detail, but man, that sucks. I don't know what, I'm not even gonna worry about it. We're gonna get this thing aligned, and then we'll finish buttoning it up after it's washed. All right, so alignment shop is busy. Andre's just gonna get her nice and rinsed off. That way all the dust is off of it. We'll dry it off, and we'll let Don just go ahead and do what he needs to do as far as buffing goes, and then just get it aligned tomorrow. Not a big deal. We still are waiting on the fender liner, like I said, so we'll just get it done tomorrow. All right, guys, so it is the next day here. Dawn buffed this thing out, and man, it looks amazing. Super happy with how this thing turned out. Everything just looks so good. We're going to take it to the alignment shop right now and get it lined up. As you guys know, if you've seen the previous episodes, we did replace a lot of these suspension components. So what we're going to do is go and take it to the alignment shop. He's going to knock it out real quick, and then we can go ahead and give it a nice wash. As you can see, it is very filthy. So we're going to wash it real nicely, get it super clean, and then I'm going to try and solve this issue right here. I don't know why. I mean, I installed the door handle and it appeared to be good, but obviously it's not. So we're going to have to look into that and see what's going on there. So we're going to take it to alignment right now, and hopefully this thing will line up. Hopefully, I mean, I replaced every single suspension component on this part, but you never know with these cars. So we're going to take it over there and see how it looks. Okay guys, that right there was a chore. This thing is lowered, and we really struggled to get it on, but we did. So now we are going to get it up in the air, and Boss Man's about to get this thing riding straight as an arrow. So let's get this thing aligned. Okay guys, so as you can see, the Hellcat turned out beautiful. I'm super happy with all the results. All of the gaps are just perfect. The car is nice and clean. We went ahead and detailed the interior, and as you can see, this thing just looks super good. I'm super happy with these results. If you've seen the previous episodes, guys, this thing was absolutely smashed right here, and it was a whole lot of work replacing that inner structure, and we saved a lot of money for the customer. And as you can see, the end result is just absolutely perfect. And then if you've seen the previous episodes, you've seen how we painted inside there and how everything inside just looks completely OEM. You come to the back here, guys, all of the gaps just look beautiful. Everything just turned out perfect, and that's just how we do it over here at North Star Collision. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to stick around and see more epic builds like this get built. I hope you guys are all having an amazing weekend, and if you want, you can follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co. I'll link it down below. Thanks for all the love and support, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.